If you're looking for professional contractors, handymen, or preservation contractors to help you find it, fix it, or build it, Hire a Pro is the right place to get the help you want. Hire a Pro is a national organization of pros who've combined forces to get you the completion schedules you need to keep pace with your remodeling projects and home and business repairs. Hire a Pro caters to home and business owners, project managers, real estate investors, preservation organizations, and banks who have large trenches of homes and business repairs. Hire a Pro protects you with our solid guarantee satisfaction and large work order repairs and professional bids, so you can estimate your total cost valuations to help you manage finances and scheduling. Plus, Hire a Pro is your consumer advocate in the construction industry. If you ever have a problem working with your contractor or client, Hire a Pro helps mediate super fast to get you both back on track. Hire a Pro administrators are licensed contractors themselves and know the industry standards inside and out. So they'll have your back when it comes to high-quality services, contract administration, payments, scheduling, and workmanship issues, no matter the size of your project or repair. Check out our National Contractor Directory, where nationwide pros advertise their full services and showcase their projects' workmanship, reviews, and direct contact information, so you can choose the pros you want to work with at a glance. In today's market, you need a friend in the business. Choose your pros and Hire a Pro to get the extra protection you deserve and the satisfaction that only Hire a Pro delivers. HireAPro.org is a nationally known construction network designed to facilitate home and business owners with a bid dashboard to get the best bid for your projects and repairs, so you can compare pros with pricing without the trouble of repeating your needs over and over again to each pro you want to convey your needs to. Trust in Hire a Pro to deliver the needs you want today. Feel free to call us now or click on our site at HireAPro.org for more information now. Hire a Pro for your business needs today. Also, check out our corporate web at HireAPro.pro to see more about who we are and how we protect you throughout the industry. When you need to hire a contractor, handyman, or preservation contractor, trust in Hire a Pro to get you the help you want and deserve.